Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's always not too bad in this spot. We're going to plant hardy perennial today, a hardy perennial foxglove, and the variety is Pam's Choice. And Pam's Choice foxglove flowers non-stop from June until September. It's got white bells with red speckles inside in the bell. It's a lovely foxglove, adored by bees and pollinators, and really colourful. Winter hardy and comes back year after year. We took out a decent sized planting hole for it. We put a handful of Super Thrive planting fertiliser at the bottom. We slowly release for the plant and feed it nicely and help to reduce transplant shock. With a little bit of swell compost mix, the soil gone in there as well. And we're going to take it out of its pot. We get some colour first year, but of course second year, third year and so on will be an awful lot better. So let's tip them out of his pot now. The roots will need a little teasing out and settle it in, and leave some more swell compost mix the soil for back in around it again, and it'll be here for years and years to come, giving us lots and lots of colour. Height realistically around 80 centimeters high, and flowers long spires of hanging bells like that there, white with lovely red splash in the centre, starting in another couple of weeks and finishing around the end of September. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.